Welcome back! We are now going to see the last task of this video, adding pages to the website. As you are probably aware, most websites have several pages for different purposes. For example, you can add a page to introduce yourself and a page to present your project. Each page can be linked to one another through the menu display in your website or through links inside each pages, according to your desire. Now let's start creating and adding pages. The first step is to come back to the main menu and select the Page tab. You will then find two tabs, All Pages and Add New. The first tab allows you to see all the pages that you have created. Here I only have one pages because of the theme I selected, but once I add more pages, they will be displayed here. On the right side, you can have the possibility to modify them by clicking on the three dots. You will see then a scrolling menu appearing. By selecting Edit, you will be redirected to your page where you can make changes, such as writing text or adding media. Once you are done modifying your page, you can select Switch to Drive, Preview, or Publish, or you can go back to your previous menu. You can then choose the second tab called View Page. This tab will only allow you to preview your page, but you cannot modify it here. However, it can be useful if you have a lot of pages and you do not remember which one is which. You can then close and go back to your page menu. The next tab is called Stats. By clicking on this page, you can now see the statistics. These statistics are only for this particular page and not the entire website. However, you can see if your page is attractive by analyzing the statistic of your page. Then you can come back to your previous page. On the next tab of the menu, you can see Copy Page, and the following tab is Copy Link. Copy Page allows you to copy identically the pages you selected so that you can have the same page and modify one or the other. Copy Links allows you to link the page you selected and insert this link to another post or another page. If you have more pages, you will see another tab appearing here, which allows you to select this page as a home page. But right now I only have one page, so I do not have this possibility. On the top, you can see the pages that you published, the draft, the one that you scheduled to publish, or the one that you already destroyed. They will always appear here, and you do not lose any page as you go through your website. So you have the possibility to publish back a page that you already deleted. You can also decide to schedule a page to publish later when you created it, and you will visualize it here. If you go back to the main menu, under All Pages you see Add New. If you click on this page, you will be redirected to a new page that will offer you the chance to select the theme of your page. You can decide to choose through the pre-selected theme that I've been offering to you. For example, if you want to add a gallery to post all your photography, you can have pre-selected page available. But if you want to have a blank page, you can select blank page here. I will select any page for the purpose of this example. Once I am on this page, I can change the text, the pictures, the media, or the background as I please. Once I'm done, I can just decide to save as a draft, preview it, or directly publish it. If I'm not happy with that, I can just go back to the main menu. I will not go in detail about the features that you can modify or how to create each detail of a page in this video, but you can come back and modify your pages as much as you please. Once you are done, the new pages that you created will appear on the list here. Congratulations! You have now a completed website with all the pages needed, ready to be launched. For this, you can go back to My Home page and go on the right list of site setups and go on Launch Your Site to the World. Once you click on that, you have your website online and ready to be accessed. This task concludes our project Build a Free Website for WordPress. You have been able to create your website and can now use the basic features offered by WordPress. Thank you for participating in this guided project and have fun creating an attractive and free website. Goodbye.